Did you know that Thomas the Handy's job was as a bartender before he became a whiskey distiller?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. And right here, you've got a magnificent little handy, let me tell you. Now, Thomas Handy was a bartender at the Sazerac House around about 1830, and he made a classic cocktail with a little bit of absinthe and some bitters using a local rye whiskey. That was the Sazerac cocktail, named after the house. So let me tell you a little bit about the finish on this one. The flavours are amazing. The finish is long and warm. You'll probably end up stroking yourself to sleep with it and leaving your taste buds with a little happy ending. So, if you were to buy this on the market today, this is going to fetch you around about $1,500 because not only is it amazing, but it's just won the double gold medal at the 2019 San Francisco World Spirits Championship. How about that? How do you feel about that?
Pretty good.
It's pretty fucking clever, isn't it? All right, well, thanks for coming in today, fella. Thanks for sharing your whiskey with us.
Thank you.